Here. Look. Look. What do you think? You don't like it? Yeah, you don't like art, do you? Yeah, so this was another experiment trying to get the angles of these bowls so I could make this octagon silhouette. So I used Matthias Wendel's splayed miter chart to get the right angles on the miter saw to cut these. I knew these had to be at about a 45-degree angle between here and here, but I think this worked out pretty good. I finished it with some spray lacquer. As you can see, there's still a hole here, simply because it was reclaimed wood, and I don't mind showing that. There's a hole here too. And some holes back here. This is a reclaimed oak bed frame. Other than that, I don't have anything else to add. So if you made it this far, thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time in Camy's Garage.